There are 3 levels of actions that are available depending on the apps you connect and your Glances plan. Dashboard level actions can be completed from the My Daily Glances dashboard. These actions do not require that you search for a record first. For example, maybe you need to send a ClusDoc application to a prospective lead who is not yet a contact. Contact level actions can be completed once you search for a specific contact. These actions are completed for a specific contact. These are helpful if you need to create a new QuickBooks invoice, for example. Record level actions can be completed after searching for a specific contact and selecting a specific record associated with the contact. These actions apply to just this record and allow you to do things like resend a specific invoice. Actions allow you to power up your workday by increasing efficiency and reducing the number of times you need to switch contexts to get work done. If an action you need isn't available, please send a request to support@glances.com. Visit us at glances.com or see how Glances can help you by starting a new trial today.